Knife Cuts with Chef Michael Gabriel and the Culinary Institute Lenotre. Today we're going to be cutting up some zucchini, okay? With zucchini, there are so many different ways you can cut them. The skin is edible, so it's up to you if you want to peel it or not. But today we're going to do half moons, okay? You're going to take a round, cylinder-like shaped fruit. You're going to cut that in half down the middle. Okay, it's going to expose the fruit. You're going to lay it flat. Okay, now you can put them together if you're doing a mass prep. You're going to cut off your ends, that's scrap, and then you're going to start to cut your half moons. Okay, now you can do them as big or as little as you like. That is a quarter of an inch. You can go to a half an inch cut for more meaty textures. And you can also do a quarter of that, cut that in half, and then you get mini paysan. Okay, it's also another cut. So you can cut the zucchini multiple ways. That's 1, 2, 3, and then also cut the ends off. Full moons. Okay, now that's your quarter, but you can also do half inch for your French ratatouille. You see? So any way you want to go, you can get there with a chef's knife and a plan. That's Knife Cuts again with Chef Michael Gabriel and the CIL.